Hello, my name is Lily, and I will show you how to search through assets and collections. First, a simple text search in the search bar supports two search modes, by assets and by collections. Use one of the following methods to switch between the search modes. The selector is to the right of the search bar, before and after entering a search query, or the mode will automatically change when you switch from the asset feed to the collection feed, and vice versa. Picvario uses Elasticsearch engine for text search. The main purpose of Elasticsearch is to perform a complex, full-text search through the database, taking into account language morphology, typos, and ranking results by relevance. Assets and collections are searched by all properties, except for logical properties, and properties like date and date time. You can enter a word into the search box to find all assets and collection where the word is mentioned in one of the properties. For example, family gives us the results of all families. Let's look at logical operators. You can use Boolean logic to perform more complex search tasks. To do this, include logical operators in your search query, and, or, not. For example, we can search Mary and dog. Which gives us results of Mary and a dog. Or we can have complex searches. You can use brackets to build complex queries that include several operators. For example, Mary and dog, not dad, will give us a result of one asset of Mary and the dog. The platform also includes wildcard. You can use wildcard operators together with or separately from logical operators in the search queries, where the question marks replace any one character after the word entered into the query, while a star replaces any number of characters in a row after the word entered into the query. An example using wildcard is Bia star. In this example, I mean bear, but as you can see, it also gives us results for beautiful, beach, and beard. Also, we can filter assets. Filtering allows you to search for assets and collections by value of specific properties rather than by all properties at once, as it is done with text search. To filter assets and collections, open the filter panel by clicking on the icon to the right of the search bar. After entering a value in the panel, you can close it. The entered values will not be lost and will be displayed when you open the panel again. The appearance and the content of the filter panel can be configured in the administrator panel, and may look different in your workspace than in this example. The filter panel for assets and collections are configured separately and often look differently. Enter the value of the set of properties and click Apply. Or you can click Enter. The properties you set and their values will be listed in the search field. To remove an individual filter, click an X next to it. For example, let's search the title Family and add the tag dog to it. The Assets page displays assets that contain all of the values you specified in the previous property values. If an asset has only one of the specified properties, all of its properties values different from the specified value. The assets will not be included in the results. Now, let's look at filtering by content orientation. If you're looking further, you can filter content by orientation. Picvario allows searching horizontal, vertical, and square photos and videos. To perform a search, open the filter panel and choose Format. Video, photo, audio, PDF, or archive. I will choose photo. After that, content orientation options will appear in the panel. Portrait is vertical, landscape and horizontal, and square. The square filter searches for images and videos with a difference in the ratio of width and height of no more than 10%. I will choose landscape. Apparently, most of these assets should satisfy that search. As well, you can search using empty properties. For example, photos with a blank copyright field. All of the properties of the right sidebar are available. To perform a search, open the filter panel, locate Not Filled In, and start typing the name of the property you need. Choose it from the drop-down list and press Apply. These are my results. How assets and collections are sorted affects the order in which they're displayed in the feed. The sorting method is selected using the sort switch under the search bar. Both assets and collections have their own sorting types. In addition to sorting types, you may also set the sorting directions, descending order, or set by the default ascending order. For assets, there are three types of sorting. By relevance, the sorting option is applied by default, only if the search query is applied to the asset feed via the search bar, or both via the search bar and the filter panel. Another option is by import date. The default option if no search query is applied to the asset feed, and by date created. The order of displayed assets is defined by the date the original asset was created. For collections, first options are the same, by relevance and by the date collection was created. In addition, there's two more searching options. By main asset creation date, the collections are displayed according to the date the thumbnail of the asset collection was created, and by the main asset import date, collections are displayed according to the date the thumbnail of the collection was imported into the system. The type and direction of asset and collection sorting is set by the user and is saved in the browser until the next time the user changes it or until cookies expires. And that's how you search and create the directions of assets and collections. Thank you for your time. Please feel free to contact us if you have further questions or check out our Help Center. Bye.